Bamboo, a symbol of strength, versatility, and sustainability, has been an integral part of cultures worldwide for centuries. Not just a plant. Bamboo embodies a way of life, a resource that transcends boundaries in its usefulness, from construction material to culinary delicacies. Cultivating bamboo isn't merely about growing a plant. It's about embracing a sustainable lifestyle and unlocking the beauty and versatility of this incredible flora. Understanding bamboo. Bamboo, a member of the grass family, boasts an extraordinary growth rate. With over 1,500 different species, bamboo thrives in diverse climates worldwide. Its strong, hollow stem structure, known as culms, makes it a prime choice for construction, furniture, and countless everyday items. The speed at which it grows, reaching maturity in as little as 3 to 5 years, also makes it an eco-friendly alternative to wood. Cultivation. Cultivating bamboo starts with selecting the right species for your climate. Certain species thrive in specific conditions, be it tropical, temperate, or arid climates. Planting bamboo involves preparing the soil with adequate drainage and spacing the plants according to their growth patterns. Bamboo can spread vigorously, so containment methods like barriers or regular maintenance are crucial to prevent it from encroaching on unwanted areas. Nurturing growth. Once planted, bamboo requires minimal maintenance. Regular watering and occasional fertilization during the growing season support healthy growth. Additionally, periodic removal of dead or weak culms and proper mulching can aid in the plant's overall health. Versatility. The versatility of bamboo knows no bounds. Its applications extend beyond construction. It's used in textiles, paper production, culinary arts, and even as a source of musical instruments. The flexibility and strength of bamboo fibers make it an excellent material for textiles, providing comfort and durability in clothing and household fabric. Eco-friendly choice. Bamboo stands as a beacon of sustainability. Its ability to sequester high amounts of carbon dioxide and release a vast amount of oxygen into the atmosphere makes it a significant ally in combating climate change. Moreover, its rapid growth and low maintenance make it an eco-friendly choice for a wide range of products, reducing the strain on natural resources. Challenges and rewards. While cultivating bamboo brings many rewards, it also poses challenges. Controlling its growth is a primary concern, and neglecting containment measures can lead to it spreading uncontrollably. However, the beauty, versatility, and environmental benefits far outweigh these challenges. Cultivating bamboo isn't just about growing a plant. It's about embracing a sustainable lifestyle. Its beauty and versatility make it a prized addition to any environment. By understanding its growth patterns, nurturing its development, and utilizing its many gifts, we can harness the full potential of this remarkable plant while promoting a more sustainable world. Cultivating bamboo isn't merely about taming it. It's about celebrating its extraordinary presence and significance in our lives. Bamboo, with its grace and utility, remains a testament to the harmony between humanity and nature, standing as a beacon of sustainable living